I love to smile now. Yeah, because especially the color of my implant is nice, white. My bridge was terrible. One time, my bridge broke. So a friend of mine, okay, I asked her, who's your dentist? So she tell me about Dr. Bean. So I went there. He checked and the assistant checked, and they recommended to, you need to, your bridge is strong, but it didn't fit in your mouth. When I chewed the steak, it hurt my gum. So he gave me advice, and then he gave me all these two options. One, the instant teeth, and the other one is the false teeth. The false teeth, yes, it's cheaper, but I prepare a permanent one because I love steak. So I like to chew. The first step is really painful. The second step is kind of, the third month, it's good. And I am very pleased to Dr. Bean. And right now I'm happy and my husband is happy. And I hate injection. But the way they did it to me, I got numb, I don't feel pain, everything is good. So I recommended to my friend to go to Dr. Bean. They're very helpful, especially when you walk in, they all smile and they offer you a drink, water, They're very helpful and they entertain you. They talk to you, yeah. Dr. Beans, for me, is like he don't take advantage. He gave you option, and he will willing to help you financially, and all of my friends are happy for me. Even my husband, he always, oh, you look beautiful. I just want to thank Dr. Bean and his team for helping me to smile again, and may God bless him.